you almost brought the principals again. But it was great to have them last year, so that was wonderful. And this is Mickey McDonald. She does our decorations every year for us, so she's just an angel. I have the best committee in the whole world. And Harold, oh my gosh, dependable. Harold Cutler, he's been so faithful to come and deliver our blessings. So thank you, Harold. Thank you, Chuck. Oh my gosh, what would we do without Chuck? He collects all our money, puts it in the bank, pays all of our bills, and we have money left over. So so, yeah, we always have to have money left over to make the deposit for the next year. And we've got Phyllis Nooch, and wow, do I have a special thanks for her. She has invited all of her class and everybody else's class too. 46 and 47 mostly, and I think some 45s. So just appreciate her so much. And Rena Jean Black is our song leader. She just has this wonderful ability to lead our songs, and we appreciate her so much. So they are each going to ask one question, and hopefully somebody will raise their hand and pick up the bag.
Would you like me to start?
Yeah.
I'm happy to start and get this going. And I want to speak to the person who played an instrument in high school in one of the bands, a marching band, the school orchestra. Anybody here? Not a musician in the crowd? Well,
Can everybody hear?
this is a gift that goes home. We'll give it next year.
Okay. Now, anybody here that didn't get a demerit all the way through 3 years?
Whoa.
No demerits, all 3 years. I think.